Turkey is making headlines in the world of defense technology with its ambitious new unmanned aerial vehicle, the Anka 4. Building on the success of its predecessors, the Anka 4 is set to redefine modern warfare by combining advanced artificial intelligence, unmanned capabilities, and hypersonic ballistic missiles. The Anka 4 isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete evolution. This concept drone is expected to integrate AI-driven autonomous operations, enabling it to adapt in real time to battlefield scenarios. This level of autonomy puts Turkey at the forefront of nations pursuing AI integration into military systems. But what truly sets the Anka 4 apart is its planned weapon system. According to Turkish officials, this drone will be equipped with hypersonic ballistic missiles capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5. These missiles will be nearly impossible to intercept, delivering strikes with unprecedented speed and precision. Murat Ikinci, general manager of Roketsan, the company behind the drone's armament, described it as a game changer. He emphasized that the integration of ballistic missiles into UAV platforms will bring unmatched speed and accuracy to modern warfare, dubbing it their Iron Claw. Strategically, the Anka 4 could play a critical role in Turkey's military operations, serving as a loyal wingman to the TFX 5th-generation fighter jet, another key component of Turkey's defense strategy. Together, these platforms aim to provide a seamless integration of manned and unmanned systems. The drone also promises extended strike ranges, enhanced reconnaissance capabilities, and a powerful electronic warfare suite. These features position the Anka 4 to be a formidable force in contested zones, including Syria, Libya, and the Eastern Mediterranean, where UAVs have already proven their value. However, like any cutting-edge technology, the Anka 4 faces challenges. Cybersecurity and electronic warfare threats could limit its operational effectiveness. There are also ongoing questions about how AI systems will adapt to unpredictable combat environments. Despite these hurdles, Turkey's defense sector continues to push boundaries. With platforms like the Anka 4, Turkey is solidifying its position as a leader in unmanned aerial systems and a key innovator in the global defense landscape. When operational, the Anka 4 could revolutionize combat strategies. Its hypersonic missiles and autonomous systems provide the potential to disrupt even the most advanced enemy defenses. If successful, this drone will not only enhance Turkey's regional influence, but could also set new benchmarks in unmanned military technology worldwide. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge military technology. See you in the next video.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.